how you make others feel, and the impression you leave behind. But unfortunately, many people unknowingly practice habits every day that quietly destroy their personality. These habits make them less attractive, less respected, and less confident without even realizing it. So in this video, we are going to break down the 10 worst habits that silently kill your personality, and I will also give you practical tips to replace them with positive ones. By the end, you will know exactly what to avoid and how to build a personality that commands your respect, admiration, and influence. Habit 1: constant complaining. We all know someone who complains about everything: the weather, their jobs, their traffic, their family. Complaining drains energy. People don't want to be around someone who only focuses on the negative. Why it kills personality? It makes you look ungrateful. It spreads negativity. It stops you from solving problems. Fix. To practice gratitude. Instead of saying, "This day is so bad," say, "This is tough, but I will handle it." Share one positive thing daily with others. Habit 2: gossiping. Talking behind people's back might be feel entertaining, but it destroys the trust. Why it kills personality? If you gossip about others, people assume you gossip about them too. It lowers your credibility. It shows insecurity. Fix. If you don't have something good to say, stay silent. Talk about ideas, not people. Habit 30: always playing the victim. Some people always blame circumstances luck or for their problems. Why it kills personality? It shows weakness and helplessness. It makes others avoid you. You never grow because you never take up responsibility. To adopt an ownership mindset, say, what can I do to improve this situation? See challenges as opportunities. Habit 4: interrupting others. Cutting people off mid-sentence shows disrespect. It makes you look impatient and self-certain. Why it kills personality? You come across as rude. People feel unaware around you. It damages your relationships. 6. To practice active listening. Let others finish before speaking. Not maintain eye contact and then respond thoughtfully. Habit 5: negative body language. Crossed arms, no eye contact, frowning or stretching can destroy your impression instantly. Why it kills personality? People form judgments in seconds. Closed body language makes you look unapproachable. Poor posture produces your own confidence too. Fix. Stand tall, make eye contact, smile gently. Keep your posture open. It signals confidence and warmth. Habit 6: lack of self-discipline. If you are always late, lazy, or careless, people stop taking you seriously. Why it kills personality? Shows responsibility, makes you unreliable. People lose trust in your words. Fix. Build your routines. Be punctual. Keep small promises to yourself. Discipline builds your respect. Habit 7: talking too much. There's a difference between being talkative and dominating a conversation. Why it kills personality? Makes you look self-obsessed. Others feel ignored. You miss chance to learn from others. Follow the 60-40 rule. Listen 60%, talk 40%, ask questions, and show interest in others. Habit 8: being judgmental. Criticizing others' choices, appearance, or lifestyles makes you look small-minded. Why it kills personality? People feel unsafe around you. You miss opportunities to connect. It reflects your own insecurity. Fix. It replaces judgment with curiosity. Say interesting, tell me more instead of judging. Habit 9. Poor hygiene and appearance. No matter how kind of intelligence you are, bad hygiene ruins first impression. Why it corrupts personality? People may avoid you physically. It signals carelessness. You lose confidence in yourself. Next, groom yourself daily. Dress neatly. Even if simple cleanliness boosts to presence. Habit 10. Lack of empathy. When you don't care about others' feeling, you appear cold and selfish. Pride kills personality. People feel unheard and unvalued. It breaks your relationships. You become isolated. Listen with full attention. Put yourself in the other person's shoes. A small act of kindness go a long way. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap the 10 habits that kill your personality. 1. Constant complaining. 2. Gossiping. 3. Playing the victim. 4. Interrupting others. 5. Negative body language. 6. Lack of self-discipline. 7. Talking too much. 8. Being judgmental. 9. Poor hygiene. 10. Lack of empathy. If you have any of these habits, don't panic. We all do. The key is to recognize them and replace them with positive habits. Closing message. Your personality is your brand. It shows how people will remember you. You don't need to be perfect, rich, or famous to have magnetic personality. All you need is positivity over complaining, responsibility over victimhood, listening over interrupting, kindness over judgment, discipline over laziness. If you can consistently practice this, you will naturally become more respected, more loved, and more influential. Remember, people forget your looks and your words, but they will never forget how you made them feel. So, starting today, develop the habit that weaken your personality and adopt the habits that make you unforgettable. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video valuable, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more life-changing content. And now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 10 habits do you think you need to work on the most? Comment below. I will reply with a tip for you. Until the next time, stay confident, stay kind, and keep good going.